Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to unlock Google Gemini AI features with your Google Drive and see what are the things you can do with Google Gemini AI feature in your Google Drive on your PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. Preferably, make sure you use Google Chrome browser. And having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to open it up right here, click on Google Apps, and then make sure you navigate to Drive right here. Go ahead and click on Drive. And in a few seconds, it's going to take your Google Drive right here. And next thing you want to do is come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Try Gemini. And then this is going to open up right here. And then unlock AI everything that you do in Google Workspace. Unlock your AI assistant to write, analyze, design in Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Drive, and much more. This simply means that you can use this also in your Gmail app and other Google apps across the web. Chat with AI in the Gemini app and create your own team of AI experts, gain an AI research assistant, notebook plus, etc. Plus get premium features like appointment scheduling, e-signature, and more. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on try at no cost right here. Then you have all other necessary features right here. Write, refine, and summarize in Gmail and Docs. Then visualize data and surface insight faster in Sheets. Let AI summarize, translate, and take notes in meetings. Find and analyze files in Google Drive. So these are the things you can do to eventually give it a try. And then you have the additional premium features like 2 terabytes storage per year in your Google Drive. And also you can get a custom email address that comes with your personal domain. And at the same time, you can also use some of the features in Google Workspace. So next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on try at no cost for 14 days. Then here you go. Upgrade to business standard. So this is going to cost this particular amount per month, which is including tax, and 10% off for 12 months if you are eventually want to go for annual subscription. And then at the same time, you can cancel your subscription at any point in time. You can see the right there. Setup payment, you won't be charged for 14 days. So which means that you can use this feature for any Google apps for a valid 14 days. After 14 days, you'll be charged for this particular amount per month. And at the same time, you can cancel your subscription at any point in time. And then next thing you want to do right there is to go ahead and fill in your contact information, names and address, payment method. You have to have your payment method right here. Then go ahead and read. And if you have a payment profile, just go ahead and click on payment profile right here, and it will automatically fill up. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on agree and start 14-day free try. So which simply means that you can only use this particular feature for 14 days. And after 14 days, Google will start to charge you this amount per month. And you can imagine some of the tools that you're going to experience if eventually you give it a try. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Google tools like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.